Hi, Namaste children. Welcome to English class. Children, in our previous class, we were discussing the exercise part of the second lesson. I think some part of that exercise part it is over it seems. Now some part it is remained. Let us start our class with that exercise part today. Okay, please look at your screen, all of you. Yes, look at it. Till H main we have discussed in our previous class. Now let us start our class today's class with G main. Spell right. Circle the correct spelled word in each pair and take the help of a dictionary, like that they said. So dictionary also you can use to check the correct spelling, correct spelled word. So here are words. Their pronunciations are seems to be same, and some letters are missed out, and instead of those letters another letter it came in between. So which is the correct spelled word, you have to circle it, like that they said. First one, argument. Which is the correct spelling of the word argument? So we have to check it here. Argument. Argument. Okay. Gument it is second one. So correct word is argument, argument. You can check it in your dictionary also. So circle second one as answer. Argument, it is the correct word. Circle it. Second, discipline. 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 Here discipline. Which is the correct word? Correct word is discipline. Discipline. It is the correct word. Circle it. Then third one, foreign. Foreign. Already they only marked out here. This is the correct word. Okay. Foreign. Foreign. Second word is wrong. Its spelling mistake is there in this, so that it is not. Correct word is first one only. EI here is IE. So it is wrong. And first word is correct. Second. Fourth one, grateful. GREATFUL. Grateful. Here correct word is GRATEFUL. 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 Correct word is this. You circle it. Next, fifth one, tuition. TUITION. TUTION. You can check in your dictionary. Correct word is TUITION. Tuition. Okay. TUITION. Tuition. Next, sixth one, separate. SEPERATE. Separate. SEPARATE. So which is correct word? Separate is second one. Check it out. If it is wrong, you send me the message. Guruji, it is wrong, Guruji. Or it is correct, Guruji. Okay. So please check it out. SEPARATE. Which is correct here? Okay. Will you do this? Check those all the spellings in your dictionary and circle them. Next, understand grammar. Here in this, you know that noun. In the noun, there are different types of nouns. Okay, name of a person, place, or thing is called a noun. Okay, in that noun itself, we have some types of nouns. Proper noun, common noun, this kind. Here, possessive nouns we are discussing here. Possessive is nothing but that word tells the ownership of a thing. Ownership. Who is the owner of this pen? Or who's this pen we are asking? No, in the class we got a pen. Who's this pen? This pen is Sham's pen it is. Who this book is? This is Shamala's book. Who's this eraser? This eraser is Shankar's. Here where they're all when we are going to mention their owners of the things, apostrophe S we are adding in front of their name. Here you can look at it. The children's The children's joy knew no bounds. The children's joy. Children's, here children is the plural form. Apostrophe s, it means our, theirs it is becoming. So it is whose joy it is? Children's joy it is. Okay, like that. Here apostrophe s, it is adding to show that whose it is. Okay, possessiveness of that thing. So it is possessive noun. Possessive, possessive noun. And now, okay, possessive noun. Now H main, here you can see, fill in the blanks with possessive or plural forms of the nouns in the brackets. Bracket they given, we have to, if it is we are going to make it as a possessive noun. So Gandhi, mother, children, teacher, these are all given in the brackets. So something we have to add and we have to make them as possessive nouns. How it is possible? First 5 I will complete, and 6 and 7 I will give you as homework. 1. Mahatma dash birthday is celebrated on 2nd October. Gandhi is here. If you are written Gandhi here, Mahatma Gandhi birthday is celebrated on 2nd October. No, there is something mistake, grammar mistake will be taken place. So that Gandhi apostrophe s. Okay, Gandhi. Okay, apostrophe s, Gandhi's. Mahatma Gandhi's birthday is celebrated on 2nd October. Like that we have to mention. Second one, whose birthday it is? Gandhiji's birthday or Gandhi's birthday. So whose it is? It means it is belonging to that person. Mahatma Gandhi's apostrophe s, it is becoming possessive noun. Then my dash birthday is on 15th August. Whose mother is given? Option is mother. So we can make it just apostrophe s if we added, means mothers. MOTHER apostrophe s. Apostrophe s, it is becoming mothers. Okay, so just it is easy. MOTH, okay, ERS, mothers. My mother's birthday is on 15th August. Third one, dash day is celebrated on 14th November. Here if it is a singular word, means we have to use apostrophe before the s. Okay, single. Gandhi is one person. There Gandhi apostrophe s we put. If it is plural, for example, children is it is plural form. It is in plural form. When plural forms are coming, children, CHILDREN, children already it is plural only. No need to add s. To make it possessive noun, we have to add s. Okay, here CHILDREN apostrophe s. If we were add like this, it is wrong. So what we have to do? We should not give apostrophe here. For the plural forms, we should give apostrophe at the end. Okay, apostrophe at the end we should give here. So then it become correct. Children's. Okay, Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November. Third one. Fourth one, dash day is celebrated on 5th September. Teacher. Teacher is plural form or singular form? Teacher, not teachers, it is teacher. S. What we have to do here? S. So we have to yes, think here. Teacher day or teacher's day it is? It is teacher's day, not teacher day. That is why we have to make it plural form first. TEACHERS, teachers. Now it is plural or singular? Plural. Then where we have to put, for the singulars we have to put apostrophe here. For the plurals, singulars is apostrophe before s. For plurals, we should put apostrophe after the S. So it is the answer for fourth fill in the blank. Teachers Day is celebrated on 5th September. Okay. Next fifth one. We have to dash this week. We are going to dash house. Going to our dash house here. So here 2 means singular form. 2 means plural. 1 means singular. 2 means plural. What we can do here? We have here 2 options are here, holiday and grandmother. Which word is suitable for the first blank? Holiday. We have 2 holiday this week. Correct? Holiday this week. Holiday means it is becoming singular, but here they mentioned 2, so it means we have to make it as a holidays. HO, okay, LI DAYS, holidays. HOLIDAYS, holidays. Okay, first blank here, holidays. We have to write. Then we are going to our dash house. Here grandmother house. Most of you are using like that only. We are going to our grandmother house, Guruji. No, grandmother house not. It is grandmother's house. Grand, MOTHER, apostrophe S. Grandmother is 1 singular, so apostrophe should come before S. Mothers. So like that. Here grandmother. First blank. Here Gandhi's first one. Second one mothers. Third one children. Children. Yes, at the end we have children. Yes, we have to add, and at the end we have to put apostrophe. Next fourth one teachers apostrophe. Then last fifth one holidays, first blank, second blank, grandmothers. And sixth and seventh, it is homework for you. Sixth, seventh fill in the blanks you have to complete and send. Then few more things here. Yeah, here are. Whose things these are all? Trace the objects to their owners. So here already they given dot lines they given. You have to trace them with the help of pencil. Take pencil. Whose bag it is? Its owner is here. Robbie. Who is the owner of that bag? Robbie is the owner of that bag. Okay. Then come to this next umbrella. Umbrella. Whose umbrella it is? It is Jaya's umbrella. Robbie's bag. Jaya's umbrella. Jaya's, not Jaya umbrella. Whose umbrella? Jaya umbrella. It means it is wrong. So possessive noun. Owner of this umbrella is Jaya. So that we have to write it is Jaya's umbrella. Okay, it is Jaya's umbrella. Next, third one. Whose ball it is? It is Mary's ball. Mary's ball. Next, Bipin's bat. Bipin's bat. Next, Alice rocket. Alice rocket. Badminton bat we are calling now. That is Alice rocket. Next one. Lucky's water bottle. Lucky's water bottle. Lucky's we are using. Okay. Then Swami's shirt. Swami's shirt. Okay. Swami's shirt. Then Ekta's book. Ekta's book. So sometimes your teacher is coming to your class and asking whose this book is. Then you have to tell it is Ramesh's book. It is Rajini's book. It is Rama's book. Like that. Yes, we have to add apostrophe S. So then it will be okay. Then here. So you can make it is one of the activity they given here. You can do this one with the help of your brothers and sisters at home. Now same thing here they given. So look at these things. Look at this image properly. So Here Varun, what he is doing? Painting. Mother is writing something. Father is reading something. Baby is playing with the toy. In his hand is there a toy, playing toy. It is playing with it. And here that girl is playing with a toy called truck. She has truck in her hand. She is playing with that. So this is the image we can see it. Yes. Now whose those pictures or instruments are, you know it. So you have to know who's this truck. It is already given that Tina's truck. Tina's truck. Next picture. Here who's this toy? Who is having this toy here in this picture? Yes, here baby. It is baby's toy. Okay, baby's, B-A-B-Y apostrophe S, baby's, T-O-Y, like that you have to write in the second one, baby's toy. Okay, B-A-B-Y apostrophe S, T-O-Y, baby's toy, second one. Third picture, who's this book? Here, green book. It is in whose hand? It is in father's hand. It means father's book. F-A-T-H-E-R apostrophe S, B-O-O-K, father's book. Third one. Fourth one, whose this pen is? Whose this pen is? Who is having that pen? It is in whose hand it is? It is in mother's hand. Look at her hand. She is writing something with the help of this pen. So mother's pen you have to write in the fourth blank. And fifth blank, last one. Who's this brush? Painting brush. Who is painting here? Yes, Varun is painting. Yes, Varun's brush you have to write. Varun apostrophe S, Varun's brush. Okay, so now it is all over. Tina's truck, father's book, baby's toy, and mother's pen, Varun's brush. So this is